Good morning, third grade. Today's lesson, well, it's not really a lesson. It's lesson 144, but there is no lesson 144, so we will not be doing a worksheet because we have a test. So we have test 14, and that is on page 63, page 64. Yeah, so 2 pages, page 63 and 64. And so I will be reading the directions with you, okay? So I have a blank test booklet, just like yours. And so I'll be reading those directions, okay? So the first part is adjectives, and it is so hard to read backwards or upside down. Okay, let's see. Adjectives. You're gonna write the correct adjective in the blank for each comparison. So obviously they give you the word here, and so you'll basically write the adjective comparison, right? Like adding your ER or EST, okay? Okay, and then the next one says adverbs. Adverbs here, and then this says underline the verb or verb phrase in each sentence. You'll circle the adverbs and then draw a small arrow from each adverb to the verb it describes. So super easy. All you'll be doing is underlining your verb, and then you're going to be circling your adverb and then drawing the arrow to the verb. That is all you're doing for this part, okay? So easy. And they even tell you like the questions at the end, like how, and then once you find your like verb, okay? How is I can't really say it, but so anyway, for number 6, once you find your verb, then you'll ask that question like how plus the verb. Like, for example, if it's running, how is she running? How does she run? Okay? So you have to just figure out the verb first and then answer that question, and then you'll find your adverb because of the questions at the end. So that's a little tip, like hint, hint, kind of clue. Okay? That'll help you. Okay. So then sentences right here. It says, whoops, sorry, I know, I'm trying to like figure this out here. Okay, sentences, you're gonna write the kind of sentence using the bold adverb. So you're using these 2 adverbs and you're gonna write a sentence, okay? Make sure it's a 3rd grade sentence. Make sure you're capitalizing, right, the first letters, adding the punctuation, the correct punctuation at the end. That one's declarative, that one's imperative. We know declarative makes a statement, and imperative is what? Is showing a command or a request, right? Yeah, okay, asking, right? Not ask a question, but making a like command or like a request. Okay, diagramming. The last part, this is gonna be fun. So, take your time on diagramming, okay? So the first thing for diagramming says you're going to draw a line between the subject and the predicate part of each sentence. So you want to first, before you diagram, don't diagram first. You want to mark your sentence first, okay? And then you're going to underline the verb twice and the subject once. Okay? So you'll draw the line first. Then you'll find your verb and subject. Underline subject 1 time, underline the verb twice. And then you'll circle your adverb and draw a small arrow from the adverb to the verb. So easy, okay? So you're going to circle your adverb, draw the arrow to the verb it describes. That's it, super easy. And then you're going to diagram the subject, the verb, and the adverb, okay? We know where the subject goes, we know where the verb goes, and we know where the adverb goes. All right, so try your best on that. Take your time on your test. I want you guys to get good grades. And so try your best, do your best. Miss you guys, and hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Happy Friday.